Hello my creative friend and welcome to my live stream in English. Here I would love to share with you one of my favorite stories in art world. It's about Pablo Picasso and his fan. And at the very end of this live stream I'll explain why I selected this story to share with you. So let's begin. One day Pablo Picasso was walking in the park and he met a woman, and this woman it happened so that she was a big fan of his talent, of his drawings. And when this woman saw Pablo, she cried in astonishment like, "Oh Pablo, I'm such a big fan of yours. I'm so glad I met you. That's a fantastic coincidence. You are a genius." And Pablo replies, "Oh, thank you, my dear lady. It's nice to hear that. Thanks so much." And woman continues like, "Pablo, could you please do me a favor?" And Pablo asks, "Yeah, sure. What would you love me to do?" And she replies, "Could you please make a little tiny sketch for me? It would be so nice of you." Pablo replies, "So, well, why not?" He takes a piece of paper and a pencil and he starts to draw. And when the sketch is done, woman saw it, and when this woman saw the sketch, she cried in astonishment, and she was so amazed with this sketching. She cried like, "Fantastic! Pablo, you are an absolute genius. I love your work so much. That's fantastic. How on earth do you do it? I'm amazed." And with these words, this woman, she's going to go away. And Pablo, seeing that she's going to go away, he tell her, "But my dear lady, $1 million. And this woman, completely shocked, cried like, "How? Why $1 million? Why so expensive? This drawing, it took you only 20 seconds to make. How it can be $1 million, Pablo?" And Pablo replies, "My dear lady, it took me more than 30 years to learn how to draw like that." So guys, I hope you enjoyed this story. Why I decided to share this story. It's actually very famous in art world. Very famous story about Pablo Picasso. I decided to share this story with you because, for example, on my YouTube, I almost every day can see comments from you, something like that. "Olga, your drawings are fantastic, but I've got no talent. I will never learn to draw like you. What can I make? I have no talent." Basically, the main idea is this, that your drawings are great, but I will never learn to draw like you. My dear friends, like in this story, it took Pablo Picasso more than 30 years to learn how to draw like his drawing, and it took me more than 20 years to learn how to draw like I'm drawing. So I started to draw earlier than I started to even speak. And when you see my drawings here on Instagram or on my YouTube channel, these free tutorials on drawing, please understand that you should put in your time in that. You should dedicate your time to drawing in order to learn to draw how I'm drawing, or maybe even better, alright? You should dedicate your time, and even better if you can dedicate your time each and every day. So what, for example, can you do right now? I would love to invite you to join my free, it's completely free perspective challenge. It's a 7-day challenge where I cover basics of 1 and 2 point perspective. So it's especially great for those who want to master interior design drawing from scratch, who never drawn, for example, interiors before. For this challenge you will only need like a pencil and a paper. So if you're watching this on YouTube, go and check the info box below and you'll find this link. So join my challenge. There are hundreds of students like you participating in this challenge already. If you're watching this on Instagram, you can go to my profile and click the direct link in my profile, and it will be opened on my website, and there you can go to and join my free challenge. Alright, my friends, I hope I could inspire you with this story. I hope I inspired you with this story. Please let me know what do you think about this story in the comments below. I would love you to share your thoughts on it. And please let me know if you want to hear more stories like that from me. So thank you so much for your time. Thank you for sharing this video. Please share it with your creative friends, maybe on Facebook, on Instagram. I'd love you to do it. So thank you so much for your time, and have a great day, you all. Bye for now.